In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shield icon in Figma. First, open Figma and sign in, then head to the file or project where you want the shield to live. Give yourself a clear area to work in so you can see the icon as you place and adjust it. Once you're in the editor, we'll use Figma's built-in resources browser to find a ready-made shield. Press Shift+I on your keyboard to open the resources window. In the search bar at the top, type shield, then pause for a moment while the results load. You'll see options from different libraries and community resources. Browse through the thumbnails and pick a shield icon that matches your style, whether you want something simple and outline-based or a filled, more solid look. Click the one you want, then hit Insert in the bottom right corner of the window. The icon will appear on your canvas, ready to use. Place the icon where you want it by clicking and dragging. To resize, drag any corner handle. If you want to maintain proportions, hold Shift as you scale, and hold Option or Alt to scale from the center. Figma's smart guides help you align the icon with other elements, and you can nudge it precisely with the arrow keys. With the icon selected, look over to the right-hand Properties panel. This is where you can adjust things like size, rotation, and appearance. If the icon is a component instance, you can still edit many visual properties without breaking it. Next, let's change the outline color. With the icon selected, locate the Selection Colors section on the right panel. This shows all colors used in your selection. Click the color swatch there to open the color popover. You'll likely land on the Libraries tab first. Switch to the Custom tab to open the full color picker. From here, choose a new color by dragging in the spectrum, entering a hex code, or using the eyedropper to sample a color from your canvas. If the shield uses both fill and stroke, selection colors will list them separately, so pick the one that represents the outline and update that. You'll see the icon update instantly, so you can fine-tune until it matches your design system. That's all you need to create and customize a shield icon in Figma. Open your file, insert a shield via resources, position and size it to fit, and update the outline color through Selection Colors in the Properties panel. Figma auto-saves your changes, so you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.